Wow! Ser ut som Alexander.
Titta på henne! Laila! En liten stjärna faktiskt.
Ja.
Har inte Laila Bagge förändrats?
Inte ett dugg.
Vad gillar Laila att käka?
Allt. Mariekex. Vill du ha? Jag har
Nej, jag hatar Mariekex.
Är ni redo?
Jag tror det.
Tror du det?
Ja.
Okej, så lycka till Laila the Piglet. Titta på hennes
Kom,
rumpa.
Lailis.
Det är så
Är du redo?
gulligt.
Kom då. Här. Kom. Ja. Igenom. Kom igen. Igenom. In. Nej. Laila.
Det är inte lätt att vara gris idag.
Laila. In. Igenom.
Det är den här grejen.
Ja. Kom. Det brukar gå lite fortare.
Ja.
Laila, kom. Bra. Här.
Snyggt.
Slalom. Kom.
Oops.
Vi hoppar över den. Skit i den.
Ja.
Laila, kom.
Ett hopp. Grisen ska hoppa.
Här då. Sista.
Nu blir grishopp.
Nej. Här.
Kan hon göra? Kan hon klara?
Kom igen, Laila.
Det där grisar är smartare än mig. Vi har doppat över, hon går runt.
Ja, hon bara, varför? Jag kan ju gå runt.
Laila.
Oops.
Där.
Okej.
Det var nog klara där.
Ja, men jättebra.
Laila.
Come on, Smoochie!
3! Come on, switch through. 3.
What do you think? Are you getting excited? This is your big moment.
You got a little something on your nose. You might want to.
Boy, you better clean your face before you go out there.
What you gonna do with that hand now that you done got snot all on it? Just gonna wipe that on your jeans, huh?
That's what my mama taught me.
Welcome to America's Got Talent. What is your name?
My name is John Vincent.
John Vincent, and this is
This is Mudslinger.
a mudslinger. And how long have you been doing this?
I've been working with pigs for 22 years doing trick pigs.
Trick pig.
You've always made a living at...
No, I'm actually an aerospace engineer by day, pig trainer by night.
Are you really? You're employed by, like, NASA and...
Actually, we're working on a project for NASA, the Orion project, to replace the space shuttle.
You're working on replacing the space shuttle during the day, and at night you teach tricks to pigs. What made you do that?
I've always had a love for animals, and I met pigs. I was...
Where does one meet a pig?
I met a few.
But Heidi, you'll like this one.
Hopefully this pig doesn't cry wee-wee all the way home.
Let's see what
You ready?
she can
You
do.
ready, Mudslinger? Okay, before we start, we need to have the traditional raising of the flag. Mudslinger, would you do the honors?
What's the matter with you?
Thank you, Mudslinger. The Mudslinger would love to be a professional athlete, and what would be more fun than being a professional golfer? Okay, Mudslinger, see, I'm gonna put the hole right here. Come right over here. You know what? If you practice really hard, maybe someday you'll be as good as Tiger Woods. Here goes Hogwoods.
Smart pig.
And now it is time for some soccer. But we're not going to ask Mudslinger just to shoot a soccer goal. We're going to actually ask him to demonstrate his dribbling skills by weaving through 3 cones and putting it in the net. Mudslinger, I want to see your best moves.
I mean, look at him.
Mudslinger, the Einstein of porcelain. Good boy you are. Very good.
That was, I gotta be honest with you, that is adorable. It's fun. It's a crowd pleaser. I actually loved it. It was really funny. You should give up the whole space thing and stick with the pig. Mel.
We have a thing for pigs in our house. In fact, my eldest was actually trying to convince me to buy a pig a few months ago. So I'm already in love with your act. I'm already in love with your pig. Yeah, I loved it. How adorable.
Thank you, Mel. Thank you.
I must tell you that I, too, absolutely love your act. I love your story. I love that you're a guy working on a really important job who now at night works with pigs. You love animals. The whole thing's just beautiful. I think America's going to love this.
I think so.
I really do.
I want a pig.
Thank you, Howard.
Heidi?
How can you say no to the pig? And in a weird way, I want to give the pig a kiss. Do you feel the same way?
Go kiss the pig.
Who wouldn't love a kiss from Heidi?
Go ahead, Heidi, go.
Is he gonna bite me?
Hi, Heidi. No, he won't. He's
How are
very
you?
gentle. I'm very nice. It's
Isn't
great
this
to
good
meet
luck
you.
when you kiss a pig?
I think it's good
Yes,
luck.
it is.
I think so.
For the pig.
If you put this in your lips, he'll take it right out.
Oh, I have to
He'll be
feed
as
him?
gentle as possible. Mudslinger. Bend down just a little more. There he goes. Come on. Mudslinger. Mudslinger.
Mudslinger, don't leave me hanging. Is that good luck?
Yes, you were a great sport, Heidi. Thank you.
Excuse me, Mel B, you want to kiss a pig?
It was.
No, I do not want to kiss a pig.
Go ahead.
Kiss that pig.
Wait,
I am fine, thank you.
you have a cookie to put in your mouth? Okay, let's vote. I love it. I'm gonna say yes. Mel B.
Yes!
Heidi Klum.
Thank you.
Yes to the pig!
Thank you, Heidi.
Yes.
Thank you, Howard. Thank you.
Thank you so much. We'll see you
Thank you,
again.
guys.
Was it runny? Was it cold?
It was wet.
Is he not an amazing pig? I told you.
You are absolutely right, and Mudslinger has a way with the ladies.
Oh, yeah.
You got a French kiss from Heidi Klum.
Yeah.